How to fix the media keep stopping error in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, reset app preferences. Open settings, scroll down, click on apps, click on three dots more option. Here you will see reset app preferences. Now click on reset app preferences. Now click on reset. After click on reset, app preferences reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update, open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Now here you will see update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset all settings, open settings, scroll down, click on general management, click on reset, scroll down, click on reset all settings, click on reset settings. After click on reset settings, all settings will be reset from your phone. This is how you can fix the media keep stopping error in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video and thanks for watching this video.